Tanya and welcome to our studio. So we're going to give you a little studio tour so you can see what to expect when you come here. So obviously in the car park there's plenty of free parking, and then you can come into the studio. So when you come in, we've got a little shelf over here to take your shoes off, and your coats can hang up on the wall there. So if you come with me, so this is your little waiting area. You make yourself at home when you sit down, and then we're going to go through to the studio. So I'm just getting ready for a yoga class tonight. So I'm just busy getting the equipment, but I thought I'd quickly do this before the clients come. So we have a toilet, obviously, a little kitchen sink, and then sometimes people need to shower before they go to work, so we have a shower in over here. So I won't open the door because you probably won't see anything because of the light in there. So coming into our lovely space here, so you can see it's nice and calm, clean and everything. So we've got lots of equipment that we use at the studio, and can Paul see that? Yeah. So we've got lots of balls that we use for Pilates. What else? We've got lovely soft cushions, bands for Pilates, blankets for yoga, so we have a nice little sleep, spiky balls to give you a massage, and then bands for yoga as well. And obviously we have some music, and then we've got some weights at the bottom. So we use these in the classes, so either those ones or those ones. And then we've got these lovely bolsters that we use for yoga. So as you can see, like I said, I'm just busy setting up because I've got a yoga class in a minute. So there's some stuff lying out because we just finished a reformer session. So So this big boy here,
you're a matron,
is called Roger, in honor of one of our best friends. So that is a Pilates machine. So that's for private clients, a really good rehab machine, or if you really want to work on certain parts of the body. And that's all our Pilates mats. So you can see that our mats are quite thick. So they're about 1.5 inches, so very good quality mats. And then we just put the pink ones on top just to protect them. Don't think there's anything else there. Let's move into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, so part of the memberships that we have here at the studio is the clients get free teas and coffees after the class. And so yes, we're just busy tidying up before the next class comes. So free teas and coffees, lots of mint green, chai, whatever you want, it's up there. And we have a massage room in that side, but I don't think the light is working in there. Let's take you in there. So Paul does rehab massage and stuff like that. And that's Francine, our skeleton that we use for teacher training. She's had a couple of falls. She's missing a tooth in her arm. They don't give you very sturdy stands to put them on. So over here we have another reformer room. So it's the same as the big one, it's just a different make. So it's a Michael King reformer, this. They work the same, but some reformers have different benefits than other reformers. And then again, we've got more equipment that's stored over there. So that is this one. So again, Paul might use both reformers for a person, depending on what he's after for that session. And that is basically our lovely little studio. So as you can see, this is where we also do some of our teacher training, and we do our teacher training in Cyprus. And yes, I think that is all that I wanted to show you. So those big white things are doors. We're just getting our doors replaced. So have a lovely day, and you have an idea of what it looks like in here. So take care and have a lovely day, night, whichever it is for you. Bye.